Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential kitchen appliance that can elevate your baking game, the Cuisinart SM-50R Precision Master 5.5 QT stand mixer in a striking red finish. We found this impressive stand mixer online and added the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Cuisinart SM-50R is a powerful stand mixer designed for both home bakers and culinary enthusiasts. With its robust 500-watt motor, this mixer can handle a wide variety of tasks, from mixing dough for bread to whipping cream for desserts. Its generous 5.5 quart bowl is made of stainless steel, providing ample space for large batches, whether you're making cookies for a party or preparing a cake for a special occasion. One of the standout features of this mixer is its 12-speed control. This means you can start slow to avoid splattering flour everywhere and gradually increase the speed for thorough mixing. The versatility of the speed settings allows for precise control, whether you're kneading dough, mixing batter, or whipping egg whites. The included flat mixing paddle, dough hook, and whisk attachments make it easy to switch from one task to another, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Another notable highlight is the tilt-back head feature, which gives you easy access to the mixing bowl. This is particularly useful when you want to add ingredients mid-mixing or need to scrape down the sides of the bowl. It's a thoughtful design that simplifies the baking process and reduces mess. The Cuisinart SM-50R is suitable for anyone who enjoys cooking and baking, from novice home cooks to seasoned chefs. If you often find yourself whipping up large batches of cookies, cakes, or bread, this mixer will be a valuable addition to your kitchen. It's also perfect for those who appreciate the convenience of having a reliable kitchen assistant that can take on heavy mixing tasks, freeing you to focus on other aspects of your culinary creations. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine hosting a family gathering where you want to prepare multiple dessert options. You can easily mix up a batch of chocolate chip cookie dough, switch to the whisk attachment to make a light and airy meringue, and then knead dough for a fresh loaf of bread, all with the same appliance. The versatility of the Cuisinart SM-50R means you can explore a variety of recipes without the hassle of switching between multiple gadgets. Additionally, the stand mixer's durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use, making it a worthwhile investment for your kitchen. The classic red color adds a pop of personality and can complement a variety of kitchen styles, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. If you're someone who loves to entertain or bake as a hobby, this stand mixer can truly enhance your experience in the kitchen. It allows for more efficient preparation, less mess, and a wide range of culinary possibilities. Plus, it's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to improve their baking skills, as it takes the hard work out of mixing and allows you to focus on perfecting your recipes. In conclusion, the Cuisinart SM-50R Precision Master 5.5 QT stand mixer in red is a powerful, versatile, and stylish kitchen companion that can help you explore your culinary creativity. Whether you're baking for yourself, your family, or a crowd, this stand mixer is designed to meet your needs with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.